Dear students, in this part of the poem, the poet strongly views how this world of ours is full of material possessions and how in a material world the loss and gain are a part of life. He also strongly views how everything lost can't be brought back and money is but an external thing. He sings out, in a world of possessions, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always. Little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external. The poet here wants the boy to accept the loss, for loss in this world is a reality. It is inevitable in everyone's life. It means the material things we own or achieve will not always be there with us. He says the balls will be lost always. It means many of our belongings will be lost one day. The ball is here personified. It stands for the boy's belongings, both his material possessions and inner feelings and attachment. The poet intends the boy to be practical and acceptive. He has to accept the harsh realities of life, that the lost things can't be retrieved. The line, "No one buys a ball back," bears testimony to it. In his opinion, money can buy a new ball, which is simply a materialistic thing, but it can't buy the sense of belongingness, feelings, and emotions of the boy attached to the lost ball. Hence, he says money is external. No feelings or emotions are attached to it. Thus, in this part, the poet wants the boy to learn from the loss the real truth, the harsh realities of life, and move on in life with loss and gain.